This is my Knex Wave Swinger Model 2. That's about it really. Oh, let's start it up. So as you can see, the swings move out a bit like the other one. They don't move out that much, to be honest, from the real one. But then there's the entrance up to the right. And then see this second motor, this makes it oscillate in the opposite way. So it makes the centre move the opposite way, which therefore makes it do the tilting motion. As you can see in the middle moves like the real one the opposite way. This has been another model made by Knex builder Alex 1234. Thanks for watching. Bye.